Good morning, friends. Let the systems run the business and people run the systems. I have always been talking about systems and how putting systems in place takes your business to the next level. Today, I will be talking about one of the most important activity of the business systems, which affects every business to the core. Customers. We have the famous saying which says, customer is the king. Customers have a life cycle. If you observe, we spend a lot of time, money, and energy acquiring a customer and give less importance to the customer care and retain customers. I would like to give you a perspective about customer life cycle, starting from lead to acquiring a client, retaining a client to multiplying with the client. And the best part is to create an opportunity to get the client into a different customer life cycle. Having said that, let me give you a context of how important a customer care is. What's the foundation? The foundation and importance of customer care. In a competitive market, you'll never get a product or a price advantage over your competitors because they can easily duplicate, but strong customer service culture can never be duplicated. What's required to build on it? A good quality product is anyway a must, but a customer care is an add on. And it is what is required in today's market scenario to acquire and retain a client. Only a good quality product or a service without customer care is not good enough in today's world. It's like speed post, very reliable, but customer care dynamism is missing. My customer care experience goes far back. I've always been a customer service person. I had a privilege of servicing the same set of clients for more than decades. Ramson's Industries 30 years, Concept Home Textiles 25 years, Mohini Fine Foods 20 years, to name a few. Now, let me throw some customer care facts and figures at you, which would make a lot of sense to each one of us. Happy customers tell 5 people, unhappy customers will tell 10 people. 7 out of 10 complaining customers will do business with you again if you resolve the complaint. Customers will spend up to 10% more for the same product if better service is given. 68% of the customers move or leave because of the indifference shown from the company side. And finally, it takes 5 to 6 times more money to acquire a new client than maintaining old client and getting business out of them. These facts tell us the serious implications of customer care. Now, let's take a small example of a coffee shop whose average transaction is rupees 100. If a customer visits the shop 3 times a week, 48 weeks a year, and in 20 years, they have spent a minimum of 2.88 lakhs. If that customer walks out, never to return again because of the poor customer service experience, it is naive to think that they just lost 100 rupees, when in reality that loss can be many more lakhs. So, ladies and gentlemen, introducing a system from Catalyst Guru. After a lot of research and putting things together, all the years of experience in client servicing, personalized customer connect system where we support you in such a way that we say, once my client, always my client. So, what do we do here? In the customer life cycle, as you see here, we keep you connected to build a bond with your client. We keep you connected to grow. We keep you connected to recreate the cycle. These are the three important areas which play the dynamic part of the customer life cycle. What do we exactly do? We go beyond randomly wishing clients on happy birthday, anniversary, and some important occasions. Fundamentally, we create a purpose in all communications, focusing on the pain points of the customer, creating a meaningful content to connect with the client so that we generate future business. This is the core. This is the core of taking off from the purpose, whatever we want to achieve. We educate the client and about the current products and services you have in small bits, slowly getting into the client's mindset. Upselling is a very important phenomenon. If you have more than one products, upselling becomes a very good tool. You already know the client, you're already in connect with the client, so upselling becomes a very important. Being connected in today's digital world, an overload of information and competition. You could be having a client, but if you're not connected regularly, because of the overload of information and competition, people get carried away, and a little bit of more information would drag your client to some other place. How do we do it? Due to the time constraints, I'm keeping it very simple. We identify the customer profile very sharply, create the purpose in all our communications. Without the purpose, there is no communication. There are no just general forwards. Break up the purposes into communication messages and keep it simple and sharp. Each purposeful message delivered successfully, systematically to get the best impact. Whenever we are sending a message to the client, there is a purpose behind it. It does to need some do its job. Every message has a meaning to it, and it is well planned and systematically delivered in due intervals. It is delivered through different medias as per the need and requirement. So let me sum it up in one line. We set up a system that takes care of you being connected with your client and grow with your client. Do you want to be in the zone of once my client, always my client? Get in touch with me. This is Sudhakar Nanduri from Catalyst.guru signing off. Thank you so much.